So it's time to do cake review. So I got me mixy. I'm not sure this what I want here is, but this is also another mixy, and this is Sorel and fruit cake, and this is the potato by itself. So it's 4 total. So let's talk about this, because this is a big thing. Auntie Dana, yes, get your cake. That is it. I got sample here now. Water run water. See it there. So this is a mixy. But they want, really, they want 3 flavor. But they want the sorrel, the coconut, and the potato. But me never get to try them in a one. Right? So I'll try it out here now. Eat a piece of coconut on top. So it's a coconut sorrel and fruit cake. Baby, can you come hold this to me, please? I put on the pan because I want it to flat when I cut it. I don't want it to, you know what? Maybe I not put pass on plate, give me, please. So I take it out of the pan, because sometimes when you cut it in the pan, it not go down properly. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to transfer it. Take it out of the pan, because you know what I'm going to do? Wrap it up back in a plastic so it can keep the moisture. Alright, let's dive the knife down into this now. Fruit cake first. That is it. See? Good. That go on with itself. Ooh, you want a piece? You want a piece? Let's do it like this. Cut a piece of sorrel. Come here, Reb. Come here, come taste piece of Auntie Dana cake. Auntie Dana cake. Alright, piece of cake. Auntie Dana cake. No, sorry. This is Auntie Dana. Alright, so I cut the coconut. Yeah, mixy. Alright. Okay. So you see them? Cut all 3. Maybe a cake, so I know how cakes taste. Alright, first I got to taste is the rum cake, which is my love beer rum cake. Wow. Tastes good. Not gonna lie. Yes, please. That's good. Oh wow. Okay. Maybe a crumb cake. This tastes good. Okay, should I wash my mouth like a bit? So you get what that taste here. Can you pass on that for me, please? You can wash my mouth. Yes, I want to rinse out my mouth so I take out the taste out there. Hold on there. No, I want to take out that taste here. Oh yeah, it tastes good. Let me get another bite first. For more, something more. You want to taste the other one?
You don't need no more salt, Mom.
Wash up my mouth, son. Alright, let's taste the sorrel. Because I really never want the rum cake. Should I bake rum cake? Let me taste the sorrel. It's good. And let me tell you guys, my daughter actually put the cake them in the fridge at Jamaica before she bring them come here, which was a bad idea. But Take them taste good. Two of them taste so far. Right. Just rinse. Let's go for the coconut. That's which one is my favorite. Okay, so my coconut, the coconut are my favorite so far. All of them have a little similar taste, but you can taste the difference. But the flavor in all of them, there's a blend in all of them that kind of have the taste, but them stand out because of the ingredients. But the texture, all three of them, when I taste, have the same texture. I love this more. Oh wow. I love the sweet. I love this. The coconut. Wow. All right. Yeah, I love coconut. I want to try the sweet potato, but now I kind of let me taste the sweet potato. If it's nicer than the coconut. I just cut this from here so I see. Them have the texture. He's a coconut person. I love coconut and I love sweet potato. That's why I take a whole sweet potato. But me I wonder if I should take a whole coconut and a whole sweet potato. I really like the coconut. Oh yeah, the coconut is my favorite. Okay, so see the sweet potato here. All of the texture them have the same texture. All of the cake them have the same texture. It's just that you can taste the ingredients different, but they have the same texture. See, moist. Oh yeah. Yeah. This tastes good, but I prefer the coconut over this. But all of them taste good. All of them. I like the coconut more, but the whole of them have the same texture. And taste. Come taste them then. Come over here. So the,
not even a show.
yeah, it's okay. So this are the coconut. So taste this. We like the coconut more. Come here, coconut. And then these are the potato. You don't want to wash them more, so taste them.
Christmas cake them?
Them have a Christmas flavor. A Christmas cake them. All of them are Christmas cake, but the sweet potato are just different ingredients.
I mean a cake roast, but them taste good.
Yeah. Angela, big up yourself. I mix this. I saw me I eat them. Them I mix it. My daughter they put the cake them in the fridge, but last night she come, we leave them out on the counter because they have rum in there. They never need to go in the fridge, but me never know so she put them in the fridge. Sorry, it tastes good too. So the coconut are my favorite, and then the sorrel, the rum cake, and the sweet potato in that one. Coconut, then the sorrel. That is it. This is a big thing. Bring up yourself, auntie. You're going with yourself. A slice of this with a cup of coffee in the morning. The good thing about it, them cake here don't spoil so easy because it preserved. So, have a cup of coffee with a slice of this dessert. That is it. A slice with a cup of coffee. After I have my breakfast and I go drink my tea. Cup of coffee. A morning time. That is it. No pastry. This is my pastry. I'm gonna wrap them up now in a plastic and have a little slice. A morning time. Plastic, ceramic wrap will keep the moisture in it. Auntie, you're doing a good job. Big up your damn self. Big up your nice clean self, Auntie Dana. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, Auntie Dana. Big up yourself.
Make a song.
Yeah, now make a song. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, Auntie Dana. Big up yourself. Hey. That's one container for me. Make your cake and have it the whole here and don't put it in the fridge. But be a cake. Auntie Dana cake tastes a little bit different from mine. It have a blend where mine don't have. It have something where stand out in there that mine. She used the ingredients in hers where stand out from my cake. And me don't know what it is. Me I try to figure it out. But taste it. Cause me like bake rum cake. And me taste something in our cake when me don't taste in my cake.
I get the smaller one, but me listen to cover feet. Something else cover them looks like they're missing.
Yeah.
And that's just one of them.
When we have plastic container. No, this too big, babe.
The maintenance I get the smaller one, but me listen to cover.
Alright, look if you see the other one.
Listen to cover.
In a half cover, I'm gonna use the ceramic wrap. Just give me one container. I'm gonna dash a whole of them. I'm gonna dash a whole of hold up at one whole for there something there. And buy sunset and dash them again. Tired. Auntie Dana, we proud of you. Jamaica people proud of you. I sang that up on YouTube, watch it too much in time. This guy will live side of Auntie Dana. Make one song. Sing Auntie Dana, we the other one, babe. The other cover. Auntie Dana, we proud of you. Jamaica people proud of you. You never hear it? Yeah. Watch it a couple times. Jamaica people proud of you. We need 20 more Auntie Dana. 20 more. Down at Jamaica. 20. Boy! That is it. Coconut now. Something different about the coconut. I like the coconut. Auntie Dana forgot to tell me what she put in her cake. It have a taste when my cake don't have. And me I try to figure out what. When I buy a fruit cake, you have to keep it moist. You have to wrap it up in a plastic and keep it moist. If you just put it down so, it dry out. keep it. Keep the moisture. Thank you.
Whatever.
What? I drink a cup of coffee right now. Enough love and respect, auntie. I was not disappointed.
More rum and anti-banana one, yeah. That's not the difference.
You think say more rum in there? More rum in the anti-dana cake than mine?
Yeah, and the coconut grater. Get that roughness there.
Yeah. It tastes good. All of them taste good.
Coconut grater. Never want to say it in the video.
Why not? But it's the truth. The natural coconut or grater in there make it taste.
I don't want to put on your one too much.
You not put me down.
The more you stay, you know.
Me not put Remember say me not be a coconut put cake, you know. Auntie Dana a cake that Auntie Dana me not be a coconut cake. Me not put me down. Auntie Dana cake tastes good.
So we are comparing your with her.
No, it's a rum cake me attack. And that's okay. No, fear is fear. Me no mind. She have a taste in her cake when me don't have. And it's a nice
You feel the rum? You feel it nice?
Oh yeah.
You know feel
Yeah, it's strong, the rum strong. Me no put so much rum in my cake.
No rum in there
And that you like, not true? The rum. Me know you're not a cake person, but you like the rum. You like the rum. It tastes good. I like them. All of them taste good. All of them. I'm not disappointed. That is it.
You know, when you make your cake, you know, or your pudding or wine.
You can't. No, when we make sweet potato cake, a different thing. Not cake, sorry. Sweet potato pudding. This is sweet potato cake and coconut cake. It's a different thing. The coconut stand up in our coconut cake, because that's what it called, coconut cake. Hello? It called coconut cake. So it now got taste like mine. I never make coconut cake. I don't know how to make it.
We're not talking about a particular, you compare your when you bake. So whichever one you compare it with your one when you bake it. That's the one.
The rum cake, me not compare it with.
Exactly.
So you know, I'm put down my one.
So, right.
Because you love me.
And sell it to you.
Yeah, but we not sell it like Auntie Dan. I'm just sell it to friends and family.
You know that.
Right. But you don't want to put down my cake. That's okay, baby. That's okay.
No, tell me I'm not put it down. If you say certain things, no, I'll put it down. I'm not doing it. No business what you want to say.
Don't say rather don't say anything.
I just tell you how with the camera on. Camera on?
Confession is good for this one.
Camera on?
No, it's not on.
Yeah, say it on the camera off.
Okay. But you
not gonna do it.
But be honest.
You're not the same field. Similar fields are same fields.
But me not gonna ever bake like that for the world.
You don't know what happened tomorrow.
No, me not gonna bake like that for the world, so that's okay.
You don't know what happened for tomorrow. Maybe not for the world, but for because every Christmas I bake.
Yeah.
And you have to sell cake every Christmas.
I'm sell cake to my friends and my family them.
Yeah. Then you don't want to see it stop.
Yeah, me have my customer them will buy the cake and that's okay. Me nah, and that's so.
You just say something to her and they say, oh, alright, that she not, whatever.
She not, but what about the people that will already buy my cake and tell me, oh, my cake very nice. So.
Maybe when they was continue maybe, but so I don't want to say nothing and stop that. But you think that's make the difference?
The rum. Auntie put more rum in her cake.
Yeah, and here we have the natural coconut grater.
In the coconut cake. Me no make coconut cake. No, but me no make coconut cake. She have the natural coconut in her coconut cake. Coconut no go in a rum cake. The rum cake when me make it don't go in there. She make coconut cake is 4 different cake.
So which one of them have a taste, a flavor, outstanding way? All of them?
No, the rum cake, it have a taste that my cake don't have.
More rum.
Could be.
And it costs too. It costs. Yeah, one more refined.
Okay. Yeah.
I don't know if and mix it.
Yeah, no, she don't make her cake for it stay like rum cake. She don't make it moist, but she don't make it for the regular rum cake. She have her own brand where she make her own, her way how she make her cake. She wanted to have like a more pudding taste. It's not like she wanted to be soft and moist like the cake. And you're on record, so we record everything what you say. Oh shit. Me I go share it because it's an honest opinion. It's an honest opinion, but that's why I say make me record it because it's an honest opinion. I mean just pull your leg for you tell me the truth because it's the truth. The truth is the truth. Me not feel no way about that. You're just being honest. When you hear my husband's honest opinion, me don't feel no way. Adios. You're drinking. There's no way. You eat 2 little piece of cake and you run bust in the head. Look how much me eat.
Take 2 bites.
That is it. Make it.
Feel the feelings I don't know how I mean no. Soon go sleep. Can I eat something that I feel? Can I eat this?
Why? Because it's strong?
Yeah.
Is that strong? Alright, I put more rum in my cake and see if it got taste that way there. I don't think of the rum. I know the sugar. I think it have a spice in
no,
here.
No, not the taste, the feeling on me have. The sugar.
Oh,
the rum.
okay.
Normally with me, sugar make me joke.
Yeah, just sugar make you juice when you get up in a age.
I don't know if mix with the rum now, so.
It have a spice in there where me not use. Me not think of the rum. I think it's a spice. If you're a baker, you will try to figure it out. Something. But them taste good. All of them taste good. A slice of this with a cup of coffee. And my coffee up in the sun. The morning time after breakfast, when I come here morning time, when I come down here, I'm going to eat half of this cake. And give it some.
Man.